Once again, I've come to one of John's events and just been flooded with ideas and met some fantastic people who have all been more than willing to not only share what they're going through in their businesses and ideas that are working in their businesses, but to be able to share ideas with what I can do with mine. So, the workshop environment that John creates is one that's truly valuable, and it's something that makes his seminars quite unique to the general run of seminars that are available in the market today. It's actually fun. So, you know what they say, when you're having fun, you learn.
Yeah, for the first time we've put together a marketing plan thanks to JD. It's something we've never had, and I'm really looking forward to putting it into action.
We've been working with JD for about 12 months, and you've heard the saying of more offers more often. Well, we've done that in the last 12 months and had terrific success. And we look forward to doing a lot more in the next 12 months with our marketing calendar that we set up today.
Coming along to the wow factor has really given me the who, the what, the where and the why. The group interaction is just out of this world. It really does have the wow factor. The ideas that were bounced around the room were just phenomenal. There was so much energy and so many good ideas came out of yesterday and today's session. Absolutely worth its weight in gold.
Definitely makes you think outside the box. As you said before, you're in your business, it makes you step away, look at the business, and you get ideas from everyone. It's terrific. We've made a lot of friends. Miranda said whenever we're up here, come give us a call, stay at our place. So we have made a lot of friends out of this as well.
And lots of ideas, and lots of practical ideas that we can put to good use that are actually going to dramatically change, shape, grow the business for 2013, allow us to try something different, and allow us to generate more leads, more income.
To be the expert in the business.
More sales at the end of the day. That's what it boils down to, is the numbers as well. So.